Yeah, hello my people. I don't come again. Oh. I don't come again. Not go kill me because I'm not gonna stop till I see change for we the black people. Waiting I want try talk now. I know so many people will be upset, but I don't care. But I just want the best for the black people. That's why I want to say this. I know so many people will see this video for social media since day before yesterday right now when policeman kill black man in America, Chicago. If you see that video, you will know that these white people they don't like us, we black. Bijou, African American, these white people don't like us. Which is you know. This is not the first time, not the second time. There is a video where you will see when policeman shoot a black man 10 times. The black man don't carry gun, he don't carry knife. He even they run for the police. This white policeman shoot him 10 times till he died. 10 times, this 10 times. Even black policeman come there say yes. Good. Why I'm doing this because of I have a caution because sometimes it they pay me well because I don't know why. These people don't like us. We know those people don't like us. But our politician may be the worst in Nigeria because those people, these politicians, they make us the wrong out of the country. You never see any politician picking when he pass desert. I never see. I never see any politician picking when he pass Mauritania Sea. But now the people where they frustrate, now where they run, come on for the country. Just because of say you want to go and look for a better future. And when you come out for the country, come here, you see, say you hope say when you come Europe, you will be safe, you will have a better future. But when you come, you see the year is the beginning of your suffering. Because those people where they run come meet here, they don't like us, which is we know. And when you come here, you yourself not go like the people when you see as a black person when you see, you not go see like them. That hatred you see put on for your black person. You will begin to sell your brother to those people when you know say they don't like us. I see no reason why a black man could call police for a black man. When you know say these people don't like you. When you walk in the street, you will see policeman. At the sight you as a black man, they will come to you. They will even almost naked you in the street. Because they believe, say, either you carry drug or you carry anything. That's what they believe. Because those bastard politicians in Nigeria make them to believe that. Because the money when they carry for our country to this place, they will protect them. When you tell them you are suffering or you are, they want you to lie because they know the reason why you are here. But they want you to lie. Because when you lie, they say, okay, now because of suffering or those things, they will ask you how. Because they know the money when one of them put for their bank here. So they will not even believe you. So they frustrate you. They will make you to go and join what you don't even like to be. They will make you to carry gun to kill your own brother. But they are doing this because they know that you cannot come to them because they will have policemen. Because we don't have police in Nigeria. We have only police who protect the rich and the politicians. So you cannot come there. You cannot go there. So that's why they are doing this to you. But when we leave the country, we still come to another country, we will still make that mentality to disturb your own brother here. Instead of for you to fight, even fight for your document, fight for your rights, you will begin hate your brother. in Europe. Now this country when I there, I say when you go born pikin, they will call the pikin for interview. You will born pikin for the country when supposed to be citizen. They will not call for you for the pikin to come to interview. Pikin wey they know say he cannot talk, but they will ask you to bring that baby for the baby to come and say something why they born her for the country. Or yeah, because you're already living here, but when you born pikin for the country, they will still send you a letter for you to bring that pikin to come to interview. After some months, you carry that pikin there to that interview, you carry the pikin to that place, then they will now ask you again because you already go to interview now. But any baby you have now, they will call you to bring that baby, send the baby a letter, put his name for interview. Can you just imagine that? Then after some months, they will send the baby letter, so the baby have to go back to his country. And negative. Can you just understand? But we, the black people, we are not using our brain because we are as if I don't know how to say this. It's so painful. See the level in Europe. Now there you will see black man, Nigerian man, when he run, he knows na run come out from Nigeria, make him not die young. He go see come Europe, he go see carry wetin make am run come out from Nigeria, he go see carry am put for head. They use am dey intimidate themselves, go say nothing dey happen. They go even go small pikin birthday party, just 1 year old. They will fight, they will break bottle, police go come. Many of them are in prison here because of just color. It's so painful. I'm doing this because I don't know why we cannot just love ourselves, protect ourselves. You leave your country because of pain, because of hardship, because of the politician are frustrating you. You leave your country, you come to another man's country, then anything you forget what make you leave the country to this country. Then you start to misbehave. Who not just even send you? You just begin hate because of one thing. This is not right. See what I see yesterday for social media. Young boy, that boy is not up to 30 years. If you be saying that only boy for the family, only I for the family now, just because of color, you just carry gun and shoot the person, die. Okay, you feel saying that the people decide when you belong to now you want put for pain. No, they will not even reason it because now the family, the father, the mother, now you put for pain. If you get wife, let's say your wife, now say a young girl, now you put that girl for widow just because of you are thinking maybe you are doing those people. No, you are not. They don't even reason it. They don't think about it. He said that the father and the mother, the family, when it comes from Nigeria, we know our politicians don't like us. They use all the trade. They use our head. So we cannot just go fight them. Why we not just go fight them? Instead of fighting your old brother, killing them. Anybody will pass desert, pass Mauritania, suppose you get sense. He's supposed to be a soldier to fight for his country, for a better future, because you know the pain, you know what he passed through. Instead, you come here, you are fighting your own brother. You leave the people when you know say they don't even like you. You'll be selling yourself to them. Nigeria, please, let's change our mindset. The youth, mostly the youth, let's change our mindset. use that power, the hunger we will get. We will use that hunger against these politicians. Any local government, senator, when you know, go there. Because they know they protect themselves with the police, Nigeria police. Because we don't have police. We only have police who guide the politicians and the rich people. But we don't have the police who protect life and property. No. We black are not safe in anywhere. In Europe, in America, in anywhere in the world, we are not safe. We know this. But we cannot help. We don't want to help ourselves. This is just injustice and it's not fair. Sorry, because now waiting they my man now your stop. Because I know some people will talk say hey. But you, if you have conscience, watch what happened yesterday for Chicago in America. You will know that we black people are not safe. Bye.